In a last-minute push before the International Court of Justice, ICJ deadline, South African legal experts, working from an undisclosed location, have compiled a comprehensive 500-page submission aiming to establish what they argue is Israel's intent to commit genocide against Palestinians in Gaza. The evidence, finalized amid mounting casualties, seeks to substantiate claims that Israel's actions in Gaza exceed any proportional military response and constitute targeted ethnic cleansing. Assembled under the instruction of senior South African officials, the legal team argues that statements from Israeli leaders and a pattern of military actions support their case. Last week, Israeli Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir was recorded in Be'eri, near the Gaza border, calling for the migration of Gaza's population. His stance was further amplified during the Preparing to Settle Gaza conference held in a restricted military zone.
We will tell them we are giving you the chance. Leave from here to other countries. The land of Israel is ours.
South African diplomats view statements like these as pivotal to their argument, interpreting them as a clear call for the forced removal of Gaza's residents and a push towards settlement expansion, practices widely regarded as illegal under international law. The timing of Ben-Gvir's remarks, coupled with intensified Israeli airstrikes over Gaza, added urgency to the legal team's work. Israel has maintained a bombardment campaign over Gaza for over a year, escalating to unprecedented levels since October 2023. The legal document submitted by South Africa alleges that over 43,000 Palestinians have been killed since the escalation began, framing this death toll as evidence of a disproportionality beyond standard military engagement. South African officials assert that their findings align with definitions of genocide set by the United Nations and other international bodies, arguing that the situation in Gaza reflects a pattern of violence aimed not at neutralizing military targets, but at systematically depopulating the region. The case, which began last year, will now include this extensive dossier, deemed by South Africa as compelling enough to prove Israel's alleged genocidal intent despite the rapid compilation.